cheese.
Alright, so we're going to start with the base of almond milk, just so the powder and everything doesn't get stuck down at the blades.
So the smoothies contain.
Yep. We'll open this guy up here. We've got mango berry that Beth picked up this morning. Thank you, Beth and Jim, for hosting us here at Spruce Hill. Throw some of this stuff in here. And then she also picked up, Wyman's is, by the way, one of my best brands. It's very healthy. This one is a triple berry.
Oh, cool.
So it's got blueberries and raspberries and blackberries.
What is this berry?
And then this guy here is a, was it Kale Dream or something? Green Dream, so it's got mango, pineapple, apple, spinach, and avocado.
Wow.
So put some of that in there too. Alright.
I just heard blueberries are called brain berries because they're such a good berry for your brain.
Cool.
Brain food.
And then we've got a choice between vanilla or chocolate. Vanilla and chocolate complete. The complete. It does have protein in it because plants have protein, but it's all plant sourced, completely vegan, dairy-free, gluten-free. Let's do vanilla today. So this has 17 different plants, vegetables, fruits, and ancient grains. This guy has tons of fiber. It has 7 grams of fiber.
Awesome.
So put a couple scoops of that in there too. So that's super healthy. Oh, it also has mushrooms in it. And then this guy here, PERFORM. This is one of my favorites because it helps with recovery time between workouts. This guy is also all plant sourced, completely vegan and gluten free. This is actually what the USPC, United States Performance Center, uses at their fueling station for their upcoming Olympians in 2028 in Los Angeles. There's going to be about 600 US athletes that are competing for the Summer Olympics. And so they have a Juice Plus fueling station with the PERFORM. They've also got the fruit, veggie, and berry capsules in there as well. And I believe they have omegas there as well at the fueling station. So they're required to go through a plant-based nutrition class as well. So we got a bunch of national teams there and a bunch of Olympians that are going to be competing. So we'll top it off with the rest of the almond milk. Sometimes I put some yogurt or a splash of orange juice, but we're going to keep those out today. Alright, so this is going to get a little loud. So I turn that sucker on. And Vitamixes are the top, the king of the crop. If you get closer,
Hi, Jim.
Beth, do you want to put them in those glasses, or do you want me to get mugs, or what?